was walking on an evening and I hear the birds chirping. Wow, they look like parrots. Oh, wow, look at them. They look like parrots. I'm not sure which bird it is. Whoa. Oh, look at them. Wow, these are colorful. Really colorful. Yeah, they are parrots. I'm sure they're parrots. Look at them. Wow, it's got yellow beaks, green, orange, all the colors. Oh. Oh, look at the cutie ones. A bunch of them sitting there. Oh, about to be sunset. It's already 7 on a Saturday evening on October 17th in Melbourne. I was just passing by and I was able to view this little bird. This one is right here on the fence, looking at me. What, buddy? Hello, buddy. He just flew there. Whoa, look at the ones which are above. They're like cuties. Really colorful ones.